Hello, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make prawn and bacon linguine pasta. This is a nice and easy 30-minute meal. I think you're gonna love it. Okay, for this dish we're going to need King Prawns, Bacon Lardons, Linguine Pasta, Creme Fraiche, Parmesan cheese, vegetable stock, Green Chilli, grated garlic, and water. First off, we're going to trim the green chili, then we're going to remove the seeds, and then we're going to thinly slice it. Let's get cooking. Now we're going to boil the water for the pasta. Then cook the pasta until al dente. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large frying pan, then we're going to fry the bacon lardons. And if you want, you can have a little dance while you're cooking. Now we add the green chili. Now we add the king prawns and we cook for 2 minutes. Then we add the garlic, we mix it through and cook for another minute. Then it's time to add the vegetable stock, and we should add the water and stir to dissolve it. Turn the heat to low and add the creme fraiche. We're going to stir and simmer until the prawns are cooked, which should take between 2 to 3 minutes. We're also going to add the Parmesan cheese, and season with black pepper. Now the sauce is ready, it's time to add the pasta. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.